That is it. That is it. Cooper. Yeah, like Cooper. Yeah. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. As you can see, I have the boss man here, and we are always by Dead End and Bottom Road. Just saw that plane that we record coming in. Another visitor is coming. I have a niece, big man cousin, is coming in, Saleena. We just saw the plane land, so now we have to head down to the airport. But just take a look at how clear the water is today. Look at that. So we're in the Montego Bay Airport. We're in the overflow car park because chaos as usual here with the amount of flights coming in. We saw the plane, she messaged us, so she's in the plane still, but she messaged us, so we know that she's here. So we're gonna wait on her. It's gonna be a while because it's literally about 7 planes landing within the hour. Right, so as you guys saw, we got her, and right now they're by the Montego Bay sign. Take it out. Yes. So Saleena in Jamaica. So we're just passing by Bottom Road here to show her the water. So take a look, Saleena, and tell me what you think.
Oh my god, that's exciting.
Look at that.
Oh, wow. Oh my god, I feel like jumping one time.
Yes.
Oh my god.
And that is not no fancy beach here, that is side of road beach.
The way it's called Side
That is side of road beach. Yeah.
Oh my god. Look how pretty.
Yeah, blue, eh?
Yeah.
So we by Dead End here.
Oh, this is very plain, y'all.
Yes, the plane has been landing. We come and park up here. As soon as we park up and we come out, we see your plane pass. It's like, wait.
No shots.
So it was good timing. Guys, so we went and we picked up Saleena from the airport a few days ago. Saleena, enjoying yourself so far?
Yes.
Yeah. We just drive through all kind of bush and we in Benta Falls. And we're heading down now. So we're here at Benta Falls, as you guys know. So we're parked here. Restaurant over there. This is the top of the waterfall where you come out. We want to have a good time today. We're walking down to the top here. This is where we exit the waterfalls after we climb it. After. That's the falls. You've done colder, right? Reach Falls and then colder end. So I'm going to walk into the water. Woo! There it is. I didn't put on my shoe. Isn't that cool, right? Check your pose up, So Saleena, we are at the top of the waterfall. What do you think so far?
Nice.
Nice?
Well, I can't wait to go down.
Yeah. This is not the waterfall part, eh? That further down. What do you think, sir? So we're walking down to the bottom of the waterfall, taking it in as we go, walking through the woods here. On our way down, but of course we stop. Check it out. I need something right this on with it. So Saleena, what do you think of that?
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Can't wait to go in.
Yep. Pushing it back out. You know, I can't stop something doing that. Just carry it. Check it, me enjoying yourself there though. Alright, just have a step down, eh? And the rock we on kind of moving. Pull on. Don't pull on the wrong one there. Just don't pull. Look where he is, man. Look where he is. Nice. Alright, we're going. We're going. There you go. So we went, and as you saw with the action camera footage, we climbed up, had a good time. Son and Saleena jumped so much time on the rope and off the edge. We had a really good time. So now getting up change and we're gonna head out soon.